Yan. Sayo-sayo yung ating kalan. Kumikinding-kinding din siya. Guys, good morning. Today is Sunday and let's go make lumpia. Lumpia, guys. This video is to dedicate to all lumpia lovers. So lumpia po, guys, is I have a simple lumpia for today's video. This is celery and carrots. Okay. One of our ingredients, the most important ingredients in our lumpia. So make sure you have carrots. You can square carrots. You can shred the carrot like this, or however you like to chop with your carrots. So here we have, this one po is cabbage. This is cabbage. I thinly slice the cabbage like this because cabbage is very easy to cook. So we have here already garlic. This is our frozen garlic that I always prep. And we have a frozen purple onion. And then with our lumpia today is we have to have a ground beef. This po is ground beef. So let's start cooking with our lumpia. So isutid muna natin yung ating mga veggies, guys. Isutid natin. Half cook lang ito po kasi masarap yung half cook kasi pag anuhin mo pa yan, pirituhin mo pa yan. Isutid natin ng half cook. Of course, lutuin natin mabuti yung itong ground beef. Reminder again for everybody that if you wanna prep some kind of onion like this, what I do is, this is how I save onion. I will chop it when it's when I just bought it at the store, and then I pack like this and I put in the freezer. Just a reminder po, guys, reminder. Do not put this one in the hot oil or your fire will be, it flames everywhere. So do not put this one directly to the hot oil, okay? So you can add your onion in anything that you already added your vegetable here. You can put the garlic. Reminds that my garlic is also frozen, but garlic, it's okay to put it in the hot oil. I already minced our garlic po, just like this one. So you can put your garlic. Garlic is okay, but the onion, no, because the onion has soaked a lot of water. Okay, so the garlic is not. So we have to brown the garlic if you make a lumpia. So lumpia is not very it doesn't take a long time. So madali lang po ang paggawa ng lumpia, madali lang po. Pero yung meat ninyo, kailangan lutuin ninyong maayos. Yeah. Napaka-importante sa atin po na kailangan lutuin mabuti yung ating meat kasi hindi natin alam, or either pork ba yan, beef ba yan, or chicken ba yan, kailangan lutuin masyado kasi mag-iwas-iwas tayo sa mabuti sa katawan natin, ano? So yan. Iba-brown natin masyado yung yung ating beef kasi ang beef po ay iba. Healthy ang beef pero iba siya. Iba. Pero okay lang naman pag ground beef. Pag hindi ka marunong maluto ng beef po ay talagang hindi masarap. Kaya ano muna natin, iba-brown muna natin masyado yung beef. Ayan, naba-brown na yung ating beef. Siguro mga more than 7 minutes na natin pinabrown yung meat natin, pinipirito natin. Ilagay na natin yung ating mahiwagang frozen onion. Chopped frozen onion ito, guys. Kaya huwag ninyong ilagay dito sa mainit na oil ay sasabog yung kalan nyo. Ito pag may beef na dyan, okay na yan idagdag dyan. Hindi na yan aapoy. Hindi na yan lilipad yung kawali mo. Yan. Kasi baka naman ay ilagay ninyo po, sabihin nyo pa, ito si Bing Yuli, oh, kasi sinabi niya ako ganyan mag-seed ng onion, ng fresh onion. Ha, mag-ano din tayo, magagamit-gamit din tayo ng mga common sense natin po, ha. Sa bagay ngayon, ang common sense po ngayon, hindi na masyado common. Oo, hindi na masyado common. Kahit isasabi mo, yung common sense hindi na masyado common ngayon. So ngayon, ilalagay na natin yung ating carrot. Ito po ay carrots and celery. Ayan. Madali lang yung madali lang yung magluto ng ng lumpia. Kung marunong kang magluto. Pero pag hindi, mag 1 plus 1 ka pa. Magamit ka pa ng 1 plus 1 equals 11. No? Ayan. Pwede na yan. Ilagay na natin yung sandali lang ito guys. Ilagay na natin yung ating cabbage. Madali lang talaga guys. Basta half cook lang ang vegetables. Madali lang. Timplahan ng maayos. Kasi po kung kayo ay magluluto, kung hindi niyo timplahan, walang kakain guys. Pero hindi pa yan na ko na sa luto ko. Walang kakain. Kinakain talaga lahat. Ayan. Marami tayong mamaya, lumpia. Nagsayaw-sayaw itong aking at ating kalan parang parang may-ari ng kalan din. So season salt ang gagamitin natin. Gamitin natin po ay season salt. Season salt. Ito, mayambo na. Maglagay ako ng bitsin. Hindi naman kayo kakain. Sabi nila yung bitsin po magkaupaw. Hindi pa naman ako naupaw. Tapos maglagay ako ng chicken bouillon. Alam mo itong chicken bouillon na to, lagyan ko ng 3 maliliit na isang kuting na ganito. Kasi kailangan pag magluto ka, masarap. Oh. Diba? Parang kulang pa yun na. Lagyan ko pa ha. Tapos, ayan na oh. Ayan na oh. Medyo half cook na siya. Sa aking lumpia guys, lagyan ko ng garlic sauce and sauce. Kasi hindi ako naglalagay ng soy sauce. Ito ang ilagay ko, garlic sauce and sauce. Ito ang ilagay ko kasi hindi na ako masyadong magamit ng soy sauce. At least ito naman ay manamis-tamis. Kung minsan kasi bakit pa tayo nagagamit ng soy sauce na mayroon namang salt, di ba? Kasi yung yung soy sauce, liquid salt lang 'yan. Salt version 'yan. Kaya ginagawang soy sauce. Ayan. Sayo-sayo yung ating guys. Ating kalan. Kumikinding-kinding din siya. Ayan. Ayan, madali lang yan. Of course, tikman natin guys. Tikman natin yung ating ready to wrap. Kasi baka hindi masarap, no? Tikman natin. Gulay lang naman ito eh. Masarap na siya. Okay na. Ready to balot-balot na yan guys. Yan, naka-ready na yung ating vegetables para sa ating wrapper. Yan. Remember to make sure you eliminate those juice when you wrap it, because the juice can ruin to your wrapper, okay? Or sometimes for me to remove the juice of that vegetables that is ready to wrap, so I can put it here, you guys, right here. I can transfer the meat here. Butas niya po. Kasi ano ito steamer yan. So yung juice niya po ay maiwasan natin yung juice. Kasi hindi maganda yan pag irarap nyo. Tapos nandyan yung juice. So magkasira-sira yung ano natin guys, wrapper. So this is what we do. Just for the techniques. Our techniques and tip to those lumpia lovers that want to learn how to make lumpia. Ayan. So just like this, you have to wait for a little bit. Make it cool. Get ready for the wrapper. I don't need to put anything to stick on it because I will cook it right away. So that's like that. So slant, you have to put the wrapper here, slant like here in, and then you pick up the in here. Yes, that's how you wrap like that. So you have a long way. Well, it's different if you want to make a meat. So if you want to make lumpia pure meat, you can actually wrap your lumpia this way, okay, this way or this way, long way, because the meat, it stick together, but the vegetables is not gonna stick together. So just like that, okay, just like that again, tip here, and then you wrap it like this. You can put a lot of all kinds of vegetables in your lumpia, guys, in your favorite vegetables, but actually lumpia is just all based on cabbage and carrots. Ayan na guys, ang ating lumpia. So meron akong tape sa inyo po, papakita ko sa iyo mamaya kasi po na-disappoint ako dito sa aking wrappers. Kailangan kong isasabi sa inyo po na yung wrappers na ginagamit ko, na-disappoint talaga ako dahil ay nasira-sira siya. So yan na po, yan ang lumpia natin. So yan po guys, ang pa natin po. Thank you for guys for watching for our video for today. Have a good day. Bye-bye.